Hello everyone, welcome. Okay, if you are here, you probably had issues with ShadowPlay, with GeForce and ShadowPlay recordings. It's been a few days. I started facing with this problem. The problem is that sometimes the ShadowPlay, whenever you wanna try to record or try to stop your recording, sometimes crashes or something happens. Okay, you cannot turn off the recording, or you cannot start. Simply, it's gonna stop like this. You're not going to be able to turn off or stop it. You have to just restart your PC. Once this happens, then the next recording that you're gonna make, it's gonna causing this this sound. Your microphone is gonna sound weird, like noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm gonna stop the music for a while. I think you can hear that. So this thing, this static noise only happens in ShadowPlay. I tried on OBS, there's no problem. I tried to track my microphone sound in Windows, test my microphone, there is no issues. Just happens on ShadowPlay. And seems like there's no solution for this. I have one solution only, is that only solution for me, I reinstalled the microphone. I mean the sound card that I'm using. I had to reinstall the drivers. Once you click and reinstall the drivers, it seems that the problem um, disappears. I'm gonna show you something. So before it was sounding like this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do a quick record. I'm gonna test my microphone on ShadowPlay, and now I'm gonna stop it. Oh shit. Okay. Record. I'm gonna test my microphone on ShadowPlay, and now I'm gonna stop it. As you can see, that's the only solution for this issue. If you are facing with this problem, you will have to reinstall your drivers of your headset, or if you are using an XLR microphone, you will need to reinstall the drivers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any other solutions, please let me know in the comment section. See you in next video. Bye bye.